Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I have this shredded chicken and carrots in my kitchen. So my daughter and I decided to jump on this recipe. We have not tried it before, but thank God it came out nice. So if you want to know how to prepare this, kindly continue watching. Welcome back. So let's get cooking. Alright, so I decided to use 2 pieces of carrots. I'm going to show you what I did with the second one at the ending of this video. Yeah, so continue watching. So I'm just scraping the back of my carrots right now. And guys, guess who is filming this food? My 4-year-old daughter. You know, they say catch them young, that's what they say. So I'm just washing my carrots. You have to keep your veggies clean, So the carrot is quickly clean, ready to be grated. And guess who's grating the carrots? Still same my 4-year-old daughter. She likes helping me out in the kitchen activities. She likes learning new things. She likes trying new things. And for me, it's never too early to train the girl child in the kitchen, even the boy child. Whether boy child, whether girl child, I believe everybody should learn how to cook. Yeah. If you can know how to wash your clothes, you can know how to clean your mouth, take care of yourself. Cooking is an essential skill everybody should learn or know. Okay, it's not cooking should not be based on a particular gender. Yeah, everybody should learn how to cook. Yeah, it's a skill everybody should know. So what do you think in the comment section? Is it too early to start teaching your kids how to cook, or you just wait till they are more of age? Or what do you think? I would love to hear from you in the comment section. So this is me chopping my onions, and I've already chopped my pepper here from videos. So my daughter is the one shredding the chicken. Of course, those bones, we're gonna remove it, okay? She's the one shredding the chicken, and she's saying hi to people. Yeah, that's Sarima, that's her name, that's Sarima. So now I'm going to be breaking my eggs into my bowl. I actually used 4 eggs. Okay, no, I used 5 eggs for this recipe. I used 5 eggs for this food. Yeah, so like I said before, boy child, girl child, everybody should learn how to cook. Cooking should not be based on a particular gender, and it's quite good you catch them early and give them tasks appropriate for their age. Okay, for their age. Oh, sorry, the shell fell into the bowl. Sorry about that. So give them tasks appropriate to their age. With this, when they grow, they'll be more responsible and know how to take care of themselves without being dependent on anybody to look after them. Okay, so you don't want the situation whereby your child is all grown and depending for everything. No. It's good for a child to, like me, I learned how to cook when I was in primary 1. Yeah, that's when I started learning how to cook. That's when my mom started teaching me how to cook. So this is milk and the mug. I mixed a little bit of water to add it into the eggs that have already been beaten. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix that very well. Mix it very well. And mix it very well and add my carrots, my fresh pepper, and the shredded chicken, and of course our chopped onions. Okay, so like I said before, it's good to catch them early. Groom your children while they are young, and if these new kids, they like helping, and they at this age are so inquisitive, they want to learn everything. So you teach them. Even if you're cooking, you're doing anything, carry them along. Even if they have not yet, the task you're doing is not yet for their age, you can actually allow them to see what you're doing. By mere watching, they are learning. Okay, by mere watching, they are learning. So this is me adding the chicken inside the eggs, into the eggs. The onion and the fresh pepper have already gone in. So I'm gonna mix this thoroughly right now. I'm gonna mix this very well. So guys, this meal is actually a very simple meal. It can be served, it can be used as a breakfast, it can be used as lunch, depending on what you decide. I just added a pinch of salt to it for taste and a little bit of seasoning. Emphasis on the little bit, please. So I'm just mixing this together, and this is ready to be fried. So while adding my oil, I mistakenly added too much oil, which I later reduced behind my camera. I reduced it so much. You just need a little amount of oil that will just grease your pan, okay? I'll just grease your pan so that your eggs won't get sticky to the pan. So this is me just making sure that the oil goes round in the pan. So if you notice from the video, I added a little quantity. I started with a little because I needed to try and see how it is. Something you have not done before. Now you want to know how whether it's making sense, that kind of thing. So this is it. Guys, this is nice. Especially that chicken in it actually made the meal really nice. Do you know that my kids ate this and they absolutely loved it and they were requesting for more? Unfortunately, it's finished. So this is our final scrambled eggs with chicken and carrots. Hope you enjoyed the video. So as for me, this is what I use the second carrot to do. I grated mine on top of my rice to eat it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next content. Bye.